Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Signal app privacy settings and disappearing messages step by step clearly. Open the Signal app on your device. If you haven't already, create an account or log in to your existing account. Once you're on the main screen, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. In the profile settings, locate and select privacy. To enable end-to-end encryption, ensure that advanced privacy is turned on. Next, scroll down to Disappearing Messages. Tap on Disappearing Messages to access this feature. You can choose the default duration for disappearing messages by selecting one of the available timeframes. Once you've made your selection, it will apply to all new conversations you start. To apply disappearing messages to an existing chat, open the chat you want to adjust. Within the chat, tap on the chat name at the top of the screen. Then, find and select Disappearing Messages within the chat settings. Toggle the feature on to start using it for that specific conversation. You can also set a different duration for disappearing messages in individual chats if desired. Now, return to the main privacy settings. Review other privacy options such as screen security to prevent screenshots. Consider turning on typing indicators to stay informed when contacts are typing. Finally, ensure that read receipts setting aligns with your privacy preferences. Your Signal app privacy settings and disappearing messages are now configured. You are ready to use Signal with enhanced privacy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.